Hello, my name is Nicholas Pulling, and I'm going to show you how to add the camera effect to our levels. Let's get into it. First, you're going to go over here to Place Actors. You're going to search for Camera. Of course, in the level that you want to be working in. Paste. Put it wherever you want. Save. Then you're going to go into the level blueprint. Going to ignore that. We are going to remove the connection from the timer that we did earlier. We will be adding it back, but it will be at the end of everything that we're doing. First, you are going to get the player character, and you're going to create a variable and create a variable from it. Just by pulling off the pin, promote the variable, file, save. Next, we are going to disable input. So that the player can't move while the camera is going on. To do that, you're going to right click and put Get Player Controller. Going to pull off that and put Disable Input. Going to hook up the target to the player controller to the controller, and the actor from the variable to the thing you just created. The variable player character to the target. Next, we're going to set view target with blend. To do that, we are going to get a reference to our camera by just clicking on the camera in your level, and then in the level blueprint, right click and create reference to camera. We're going to pull off the pin and do set view target with blend. Might need undo context sensitive. Set view target with blend. Target will be the player character. Target will be the controller. Let's test it. Let's test it. File, save. Because we did not set the blend time to anything, it did it automatically. Let's set that to 5 seconds. That's how you get the effect to go off. Now let's do it to go back. We are going to set timer by event. To do that, we're going to right click and do set timer by event. And what you always want, this is essentially going to act as a delay. And what you are always going to want to do, whatever the blend time is, you want this time in the event timer to be greater than. So this is 5 seconds, so we're going to do 7 seconds. We are going to create a custom event, Redone Cam. To do that, we're going to type in add custom event, call it Redone Cam. Not letting me name that again. So let's call it Redo Cam. And we're essentially going to do the same thing we did to the camera. We are going to set view target with blend. Just going to duplicate it. We are going to do the player controller. We're going to get the player character. I reverse the pins. Yeah, the target will be the controller, and the player character will be the new view target. We still don't have control of the character back, but I'm going to show you that. Again, we are going to delay for the amount of, we're going to set a delay and going to make sure that it is more than the blended time. We are going to get the player controller again. This time we are going to enable input. Enable input. Going to, when you type it up like that, it does not do the pins right. It set it as target, which is right-ish, but not exactly. We want to reset, hook that up to player controller, and then get the player character as the target. That will add the input back. But you can see we did not add we forgot to add the timer, didn't we? So go back to wherever you put the timer. If you need a reminder how we did that, we set a delay for 1 second. We cast to the metric controller, and then we added the timer. Seven, 6. And that's how you do it.